That's right, Nvidia shares keep exploding. The price had already broken through the previous all-time high yesterday, and today we see a new record high, and this is a jaw-dropping reaction. Meanwhile, our beloved Tesla stock is collapsing, going against the tide of the market. What's going on over here? In this video, we're gonna study the market together, as we always do, and try to find some clues as to what to expect next. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, retail trader. Very nice to see you guys over here. And yes, Nvidia stock is exploding. Apparently, this stock over here is just unstoppable. It is a true monster. We just broke the previous all-time high yesterday, making an insane bullish reaction over here. Look at this candle. Look at this candle over here. It is just too impressive to be true, right? Well, but it is true. We broke the previous all-time high, which is this yellow area over here, and today we are breaking yesterday's high. Apparently, it is unstoppable because we don't see any meaningful technical top signal suggesting a possible reversal. There is not a single bearish reversal structure on Nvidia suggesting a possible correction, period. Now, Nathan, Nvidia is just going up, right? It is exploding. We see that the momentum is very bullish. What could possibly reverse this bullish sentiment, in your humble opinion, of course? Well, in my humble opinion, Nvidia would have to lose the all-time high area again, meaning we gotta close on the daily chart. We gotta close a candlestick on the daily chart below this yellow area over here, below the $500. If Nvidia does that, it is going to not necessarily frustrate the bullish sentiment, but certainly this is gonna make the bullish sentiment a lot weaker. So by losing this area over here, Nvidia is going to show a lot of weakness to us, because this key point over here right now, this yellow area, is supposed to act as a future support level, because according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis, previous resistance levels are supposed to act as future support levels, and vice versa. So this key point over here is Nvidia's next support level. If we see a correction, if we see a pullback, and so far there is no technical evidence that this is gonna happen. If we see a pullback over here, this key point, this yellow area, is supposed to act as a support level. If we lose this key point, okay, then Nvidia is going to reverse the mid-term bullish bias, and of course the long-term bullish bias as well. But before talking about the weekly chart, it is very important for us to analyze Tesla stock over here, because Tesla stock is making a surprising reaction, at least to me, alright? I was not expecting to see Tesla crashing that hard today. I was not, because if we take a look at the indices over here, SPY did a very good bullish reaction yesterday, right above the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average. It is reacting right above a crystal clear support level. This is a bullish signal, a very bullish signal. Of course, there is still a chance that we are gonna lose momentum, that we could trigger a bearish pivot point, lower highs, lower lows, for the first time since the bullish rally started in October 2023. So we still could see this scenario materialized. However, there is no confirmation of that so far. So we are just going up. As far as I know, we are just reacting above a support level. QQQ is also making another very good reaction. We are breaking yesterday's high. We closed above the 21 EMA again after losing the 21 EMA during this pullback over here, and we are heading right to the all-time high area again. This is a very good bullish reaction on SPY and QQQ. They are reacting above support levels. If we take a look at other stocks, for instance, Apple reacting right above a crystal clear support level. Microsoft, it is dancing around the 21 EMA, but we don't see any meaningful bearish reaction. In fact, as far as I know, this key point over here, $366, is a crystal clear support level for Microsoft, which was a previous resistance level, and this reinforces the idea described on Nvidia stock. If we see a pullback over here, this yellow area is supposed to act as a support level according to the principle of polarity in technical analysis. Okay, this is what we see here on Microsoft is just another example of how this works. Google reacting right above the 21 EMA. Very good. Amazon, it is breaking the 21 EMA as well. That's also very good. Even Berkshire Hathaway is going up over here. It is clearly respecting its key support and resistance levels. Now, Meta, even Meta, which nobody cares, by the way, is also reacting very nicely above the 21 EMA. So, yes, I am surprised by seeing Tesla making such bearish reaction over here, rejecting yesterday's bullish candle entirely, while everybody else, while SPY, QQQ, and essentially all of the Magnificent 7 over here are going up. So yes, this is surprising to me, alright? But as far as I know, Tesla is still trading around a crystal clear support area made by the 50-period moving average, the 200 moving average, and the 230 area over here. Just like Nvidia has a very important support level on its own yellowish area, I see this yellow area on Tesla as the most important support level over here. All right, if we see a bullish reaction in this area, okay, maybe Tesla is gonna confirm a bottom signal. But if we do lose this yellow area, then okay, we're gonna see a sharper correction, probably on the weekly chart over here to lower levels. Maybe we're gonna seek the 207 again, the 207, 206 area again. Another thing that is quite problematic on Tesla is that we are dropping, and that the volume is also dropping as well. Tesla is looking very, very weak. Maybe the low volume indicates that Tesla is dropping because it is weak, right? Not necessarily because people are shorting it or selling it. No, it is dropping because people are just not buying it. There is a difference, okay? There is a crystal clear difference. When this happens, usually when we see a good catalyst in play, we see a very strong and sharp movement upwards, usually, right? Because again, we are dropping only because people are not buying it instead of people are selling it, okay? People are not aggressively selling Tesla. It is just dropping because it does look weak over here. The volume is quite low. And as we can see here on Nvidia is clearly going up with a very strong momentum because the volume is clearly going up as well. People are buying Nvidia. People are aggressively buying Nvidia. So while Nvidia goes up with high volume, making a breakout with high volume, Tesla is dropping, reaching its support level with low volume. Therefore, if you ask me, there's still hope that Tesla is going to react because of all these signals, all right? There is still hope that Tesla is going to make a bottom signal over here and recover and seek new resistance levels. And if the broad market keeps going up, I find it very hard to believe that Tesla is going to drop alone, right? Of course, seeing Tesla dropping alone for one day or two is annoying, is surprising in some way, but this divergence is not going to prevail for too long, all right? We gotta see Tesla following the broad market as well. Now, again, the key point over here is this yellow area. If Tesla loses this yellow area, it is gonna completely crash and seek its next support levels. But if we see meaningful bullish reaction over here, maybe we're gonna see one of the most interesting buy signals on Tesla stock in the past few months. So either way, we gotta keep our eyes open. And of course, that I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, remember subscribing this channel and click the like button if you did enjoy the content. And if you do wanna trade with me, join our Telegram channel. Take a look at our website. The link is in the description of this video. Join the family of the Finance Hydra because we are consistent swing traders. We can actually make money on a consistent basis. Just take a look at my website. The link is in the description. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.